With our headquarters located in the petrochemical hub of Eastern Sicily, we are a team of over 300 highly specialized professionals. With 7 operational sites across the country and multiple active worksites, we ensure a prompt and efficient service. Through continuous growth, we have established ourselves as a reference point in the field of specialized maintenance for energy production plants. The increased demand for our services has driven our management to set even more ambitious goals, fully aligned with green principles and sustainability. We are structured into 5 business units, each covering a wide range of products and services. TMS, specializing in on-site precision mechanical maintenance, ensuring operational reliability and safety. CMA, providing engineering, production, and assembly of piping and fiberglass-reinforced plastic (FRP) structures, serving the energy, petrochemical, and civil industries. GPE, focused on the production of industrial gaskets, ensuring the integrity and safety of bolted flange joints, which are critical components for industrial plant operations. GFE, dedicated to fugitive emission control and confined space inspections using state-of-the-art drone technology, contributing to regulatory compliance and environmental protection. Eureka, specializing in the design and manufacturing of portable machine tools for on-site mechanical operations distributed worldwide. Our development strategy is centered on innovation and technology, allowing us to optimize production processes while ensuring the highest levels of precision and quality in both products and services. The technological expertise we have developed over time, combined with our commitment to workplace safety and environmental protection, has enabled us to compete internationally with the most qualified European industry leaders. Every day, we work with passion and dedication to achieve our objectives, contributing to the growth and success of all those who rely on us.